That subtle pressure as a new year approaches. The weight of expectations, the long list of things you should change. Instead of forcing a new you could gently invite a new beginning. That's what we're doing today. This is your step-by-step guide to a mindful new beginning for 2026. Hi, my name is Cyrus, and welcome to my channel.
Do you feel it? That subtle pressure as the new year approaches. The weight of expectations. The long list of things you should change. What if you could let that go? What if, instead of forcing change, you could gently invite a new beginning? One rooted in peace, intention, and self-compassion. This is your guide. A 5-step process for a truly mindful 2026. We begin with step 1, the sacred pause. Before you do anything, before you plan or set goals, you create space. Find 20 minutes. Silence your devices. Light a candle if you like. Then, with a journal, ask yourself 2 simple, kind questions. First, what from this past year truly nourished my soul? What moments left you feeling deeply replenished? And second, what consistently drained your energy? We're gathering data here, not making judgments. This awareness is your foundation. With that awareness, we move to step 2, release. We cannot fill a cup that's already full. Take what you discovered was draining you. Write it down on a small piece of paper. Hold it. Acknowledge its role in your journey. Then, say these words: I thank you for your lessons. I release you with love. Transform it. Safely burn the paper, tear it and scatter it. This symbolic act creates sacred emptiness. Sit with that feeling of space. Now, with that clear space, step 3, discover your guiding word. Forget long goal lists. Your word is a compass. What quality does your soul crave for 2026? Was it peace? Courage? Flow? Look at what nourished you. That's your clue. Let the word find you. When it does, you'll feel a resonance. Write it down boldly. Step 4 is where we bring that word to life. We craft soulful intentions. An intention is not a rigid goal. It's a direction for your energy. Start with your word. If your word is nourish, an intention could be, I intend to nourish my body with mindful movement. Or, I intend to nourish my mind with inspiring books. Write 2 or 3. Keep them positive, gentle, and present. Finally, step 5, your morning anchor. Consistency is built with tiny threads. This is one small, 5-minute practice that connects you to your word each day. If your word is peace, your anchor is 3 conscious breaths before you check your phone. If it's gratitude, name one thing you're thankful for as you make the bed. Commit to this one tiny thing for the first 30 days of 2026. This is how you weave your new beginning into your life. To make this easy, I've created a free, printable checklist that walks you through all 5 steps. You can download it right now. The link is in the description below. Your mindful 2026 doesn't start with a push. It starts with this pause. I'm Cyrus from Spirituality Source. Subscribe for more guidance, and I'll see you in the next one.